Hello all, we are going to plan a very good trades for tomorrow as we are having an expiry as well, and along with that market is at crucial level. Now looking over here, this is Bank Nifty and 15 minutes time frame. It has been testing this trend line continuously. That means this trend line has become weak as of now. If we want to plan for buying side, then what it has to do is it has to give a very good closing above 43,950 level. After giving a very good closing, it has to sustain over there. Then we can plan a simple trade till 44,000 665 level, because we are going only till that level only means because 44,000 is a very good resistance area according to the OI. That is one point. And the second thing is 44,000 is a psychological level, and we are having a very good resistances at this level also. So if market is giving a breakout, then immediately we can plan a trade till 44,060 level, or else if it is giving a very good closing above this, then we can go till 44,200 also. 44,200 is not a very aggressive region as of now, because it has been tested many times again. If we are Bank Nifty is moving above 44,200, then we can plan a trade till 44,400 to 44,450 area, which is our recent ATH. Now, based on the breakout and sustainability, we can plan a very good trade in Bank Nifty for upper side. Now, there is an opportunity for downside as well, because it hasn't given a very good breakout. So there might be a possibility that we can see a downside momentum also. Now you can observe over here, 43,400 is a support area. From here, it has been giving bullish momentum. But while comparing to the bullish move has been reduced. So we are having this our crucial region of 43,700. If any candle is closing below this region, then we can plan for selling side trade till 43,400. And one more major point is 43,400 is also tested many times over here. Now, while I zoom out, you can look at over here. It has been tested over here at this level, and recently, at again two times, it has been tested the same level. Now, if it is giving breakdown over here, then immediately we can plan a trade again for downside till 43,000 level as well. Now, we are having a very good opportunity, either buying side or selling side, based on the breakout and sustainability. We don't have to rush into the trade immediately. We have to wait for sustainability first. Okay, this is the plan in Bank Nifty as of now. Now, if we are going to plan for expiry trade exactly for tomorrow's plan, if Bank Nifty opens flat, then I will be going for selling calls as well, selling puts. I will wait till breakout or breakdown is happening. After having a good breakout or breakdown, then immediately I will be going for a directional trades. Okay, this is the plan in Bank Nifty for tomorrow. Now moving to Nifty, this is Nifty on 15 minutes time frame. Nifty is at halting at exact resistance area, which is 18,875 level, and we are having an ATH at 18,887. Now, if market is opening gap up tomorrow, then immediately don't go for buying side, because it has been tested. Many will be thinking that the resistance has been tested many times and it is opening gap up. That means a bullish move. It won't happen many times because it is opening at ATH. ATH means all-time high. If it is opening at ATH, most of the time sellers will come into the picture and they will drastically drop the market from there. Consider market is opening at this level. From here itself, they will make a red candle to the downside. If it is coming inside the region again, then wait for breakdown to this level, which is our recent low. If it is getting breakdown, then go, you can plan a trade till this low. Consider if this low is also getting broken down, then you can plan a trade till this trend line support area, which is very far from present level. If we are going for expiry plan, consider market is opening flat, then I'm going to create a iron condor by selling calls and puts of these levels. If it is giving breakout or breakdown, based on it, again, I will be going for planning directional trade. Now moving to FinNifty, this is FinNifty on 15 minutes time frame. FinNifty has crossed its major resistance area, which is 19,625. I have explained the majority reason of 19,625 as a resistance in my previous video. If you want to watch, then you can check in the channel. Now look at over here, we have crossed this resistance area and we are halting above the resistance area as of now. If tomorrow opens gap up or any flat opening and immediately crossing this level, then we can plan for buying side trade till 19,700 first, because it is a psychological level. If we are sustaining above 19,700, then we can plan for ATH easily. And for selling side, if we are crossing this low, then immediately we can plan a sell trade till 19,550 area. which is a support again. And from here, the demand is aggressive. From here, it has given a very good upside momentum. Again, came to the same level. Boom, again upside. So whenever coming to this level, we have to be very careful. Either it may be giving breakdown, or else from here it may bounce back. So after breakdown to this level, we can plan a sell side trade till 19,550 only. If we are sustaining below the previous level low, then we can plan for selling side trades. This is the total plan in all the indices along with the expiry trade plan. If you have any doubts, then let us know in the comments, or else you can be giving any support by commenting below the videos. That's it for today. Keep trading and keep doing analysis. Thank you all.